Good morning. So, samahan nyo kami ngayong araw na to since nagyakag mag-outing ang tropa. Pupunta tayo ng saan nga ba yun? Bato Springs sa San Pablo. See ya guys.
I tried to stay quiet, keep my head down low, but the Spirit of the Lord said, son, let it show. Like a wild wind blowing through the midnight pines, His word burns hotter than Kentucky shine. Every time I try to silence what He's done, it roars like thunder, can't be outrun. There's a fire in my bones, I can't hold it in. I'm shouting redemption, forgiveness of sin. Like Jeremiah said, it's a flame that won't rest. It's Jesus alive, burning in my chest. Cross through the valley's cry, seen grace in the ashes, hope in the sky. Devil tried to chain me, but the chains all broke. Now I'm preaching freedom in every word I spoke. Every time I think it's more than I can stand, the Holy Ghost fire takes me by the hand. There's a of sin. Like Jeremiah said, it's a flame that won't rest. It's Jesus alive, burning in my chest. Can you feel it? Yes, Lord, I feel it. Can you hear it?
Take the next left on Bato Springs.
Bato Springs, here we go.
Continue for 800 meters.
There's a fire in my bones, I won't hold it back. It's a runaway train on a gospel track. Like Jeremiah said, it's a flame that won't rest. It's Jesus alive, yeah, He lit me on fire. There's a fire in my bones.
So ayun na nga, dito na kami sa San Pablo. San Pablo! What's up? Niligaw mo ako, Bato Springs! Kamay! San Pablo! Represent!
Paliparan mo ng drone yung mga yan. Paliparan mo ng drone yan. Paliparan ng drone.
Yan yung bagong-bago. Walang lawas.
Walang iya, naligaw ako eh.
Ang dami pamahid doon. Mahirap na yan. Ayun o. Sa baso. Tabi ng mga baboy.
Kaido.
Baong ka.
Meron, Mati.
Ano sinasabi ka sa'yo eh?
Hoy, magdadrive ka.
Ayun si Isis.
Siya, ay, sa bagay nga pala may driver ng pagkakas.
Wala, usok sa atin to, Bato Spray.
Nabawa bigyan ito, pre. Lalay mo ka. yan, sinusundan ka rin yan.
Ako nga sinundan. Boss, luto na ako. Pahinga lang ako. Ano gusto na? Para babalik ko yan. Babalik ko yan. Ito.
Para sa'yo lang naman talaga, di pa kaya namin, tabang-tabang siya. Hindi namin magugustuhan.
Malawin ka pa ako.
Sige. Gusto ko nang gilid sa store ka. Ano na? Hindi ka masyari ko kung na.
Wala ka na. Alam mo na yan.
Pwede ka naman makawayway, pero mahal ka na rin daw. Pero, pinataon na lang sabi niya. Pero yan, hindi pa nga. Kunin nyo natin yung kabilang natin.
I tried to stay quiet, keep my head down low, but the spirit